Don't download Power BI Enterprise Marketing Analytics app before watching this. Most people think Power BI is just a simple dashboard tool, but the surprising truth is that its enterprise marketing features can completely transform how your team measures performance if you know what to expect before installing it. And most people get this wrong. First, Power BI becomes truly powerful only when your data foundation is solid. That means your CRM at platforms, email tools, and internal databases must sync cleanly. If those systems are messy, your dashboards will be messy too. And this is where many teams get frustrated. The tool isn't the problem, your data pipelines are. Next, you won't believe what happens when you enable automated refresh cycles. Many enterprise teams run daily refreshes, but marketing teams often need hourly updates. Imagine launching a campaign at noon and checking results at 12:30. Without proper capacity settings, the dashboard can lag. This is why Power BI Premium matters. It gives you dedicated capacity, so refreshes stay fast even during heavy usage. Another thing to consider is governance. Power BI allows you to set strict controls for who can view or edit reports. If your team handles sensitive marketing spend data, especially across multiple regions, this feature becomes essential. Otherwise, people may access dashboards they shouldn't. Most people also overlook Power BI visuals. Features like key influencers or anomaly detection can show why a campaign suddenly spikes or drops. For example, one retail brand discovered that conversions surged every time they posted short-form video content after 4 p.m. That single insight reshaped their entire strategy. Before you download, be clear about your goals. Do you want high-level executive dashboards, deep campaign-level insights, a unified reporting hub? Power BI can handle all of this, but only if you structure your workspaces correctly. If you're looking for a tool that can centralize marketing analytics and reveal trends you would normally miss, Power BI is worth using. But if your data sources are scattered and your processes aren't mature yet, you may want to prepare your foundation first. If this helped you understand whether Power BI is right for your team, make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns like this before you hit that download button.